How's it going, everyone? This is Cap with AIO Miner, and today we'll be going over how to use AIO Miner to mine Ethereum. It's a very simple process, so let's get right into it. All right, so this is literally all the information you need on how to start mining Ethereum. Things you'll need, AIO Miner, of course. You can go download it right now at aiominer.com, and you'll of course need an Ethereum wallet to mine your Ethereum too. Step number one, download and install AIO Miner. Very easy, very straightforward. Just go to this link, download it, and it'll guide you through the setup. And I've done that, so I can move on to step number two, which is to configure the settings. Now, when you first open it up, we have so many coins already built into AIO Miner. If there are any other coins you'd like to add, I'll create a video for that in the future. But we have many coins already built in, and yes, this is the all-in-one miner, so you can basically mine any coin you want to with just a few clicks in the same fashion that we'll do here today. All right, so to configure the settings, since we want to mine Ethereum, there's a quick shortcut to jump to the coin that you want to. Since I want to go to Ethereum, I'll just press E on my keyboard while this drop down is open, and boom. And then I click Ethereum right here. We can add a new pool or use one of the pools that are already populated for us. Two Miners is a pretty reputable pool, so since I live in the US, I'll click Two Miners US. Once that's done, all I need is a wallet address. I have mine ready to go right here. We'll paste that into the wallet address field, and most pools usually just need an X for the password. So we'll just put the X in there, click primary pool, so it's ready to go next time we want to mine Ethereum. Click save and click exit. And that's it. You'll go here to find your newly configured coin. You'll press start, and boom. It's as simple as that. You don't have to change any config files, no batch files, no updating. AI Miner already automatically updates you to the newest miner, so you have the newest miner, and we're already mining. It's that simple. If you guys have any suggestions for any future videos or any instructionals that you'd like to see in the future, please let us know and we'll get that ready for you. And there you go. Alright guys, before I end the video really quick, I wanted to take a surface level dive into what AIO Miner can offer you. So let's take a look at the dashboard really quick. It shows you stuff like what coin you're mining currently, of course, your hash rate for your entire rig, and also the power draw. Right down here for your logs, it shows you commands that you input into AIO Miner, and then if there's any errors or anything like that. On the bottom right, it shows you GPU stats for individual GPUs. Very helpful to see, like, okay, one of my cards is getting really hot, which one is it, what the fan speeds are like, and the utilization for those. Maybe if this utilization is a little low, you can push the clock on that individual GPU up a little bit more. And then over here we have what to mine built into AIO Miner, so it shows you the top 5 coins for your rig right now. You can press refresh right here to refresh it at any given time. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any videos that you would like to see from us, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of exciting stuff in store for you guys in the future, and we can't wait to share it with you guys. Thank you so much, and that's it for today.